Alam mo, nandiyan na yung blessing na gusto mo eh. Yung blessing na matagal mo nang pinagdadasal. And you're ready to receive it. But the problem is, yung kamay mo sarado pa. You keep holding on to the past. You keep holding on to the old ones. You keep holding on to the past relationships. Hoarder ka eh. Hoarder ka ng emotions. Hoarder ka ng mga gamit na you don't want to let go. And the blessing is right there. Inaabot na sa'yo ni Lord. Like, eto na. Ikaw naman, kala mo inaabot mo siya, pero nakasarado pa yung kamay mo eh. Because you don't wanna let go. Like, in your head, Lord, nandito na ako, ba't hindi mo pa binibigay? But God's waiting for you to let go of the old ones, past relationship, toxic relationship, old gamit, kahit kotse. You're praying for a new car but you don't want to let go of the old one. Eh, isa lang yung garahe mo eh. Like God want to give you a new Tesla, Mustang, a new Land Cruiser but you keep holding on to the old one. So si Lord, eto na eh. Tanggalin mo muna tong luma and then you will receive it. As simple as that. The blessing is right there. You just need to let go of that old thing. Yung pinagpe-pray mo na boyfriend, na girlfriend, they're right there. They're around you. But they can sense na you're ready, but you're not letting go of the old one. Like you're ready physically, na nandun ka na, where the blessing is, but dala-dala mo pa din yung luma. Okay, the toxic relationship, your past, the old items, materials you have. So learn to let go. If you haven't used something for 1 year, 2 years, tapon mo na yan. If someone, in the past relationship, they don't even care about you anymore, kalimutan mo na yan. And then new person, a new love life, a new blessing will come into your life. But remember, diba, nandiyan ka na eh. Inaabot na sa'yo ni Lord. All you have to do is spread your arms and then open your hands and the blessing will be given to you. That is your reminder for today.